Have you heard someone say AI will replace humans? Well, I don't think AI will replace you, but I can guarantee a competitor using AI might outpace you. Hi, I'm Campos Torres, and in this video, I will help you understand the basics of AI, what it is, why it matters, and how to get started without the PhD or $1 million budget. Let's demystify AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, isn't some futuristic robot from a movie. At its core, AI is a smart way for machines to learn from data and perform tasks we usually associate with humans, like answering questions, spotting trends, writing code, generating images, or even fixing your network automatically. Under the hood, it is math and probability, amplified by the massive computing power we have today. And platforms like Cisco UCS make that power accessible at scale. But AI in itself isn't new. If you played Atari or Nintendo, you have already seen symbolic AI, systems that follow rule-based logic to make decisions. Then came machine learning, where systems learn from data to predict outcomes. And that is how your bank flags potential fraud, or how spam gets filtered from your inbox, based on different patterns and probabilities. Next, deep learning, which brought neural networks that mimic the way the human brain processes information. This enabled breakthroughs like facial recognition, or language translation, and pattern detection. We have evolved further since then, with perception AI, which gave us natural interfaces like voice control in Alexa or Siri. But that was just the beginning. The real leap came with large language models like ChatGPT, which allowed us to interact directly with AI in natural conversations and not just with commands. Now we're in the age of generative AI, where a single prompt can create music, videos, code, designs, and more. It's creativity at the speed of thought. But even this is just the beginning. Now imagine using that same intelligent automation with agentic AI in your network or data center. AI agents could handle routine tasks, streamline operations, and respond to issues fast and efficiently. And beyond that, embodied AI, which brings intelligence into the physical world. Now we are truly talking about robots, drones, autonomous systems, and many others. Imagine a robot that can rack and stack your servers. That means no more SFP battle wounds or crawling under the cold aisles. That's where we're headed, and we're just getting started. AI helps us work smarter, not harder. It's not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting our capacity to accelerate innovation, maximize resources, and reduce risk. So, how do you get started with AI? 1. Identify a high-friction task or process. This could be forecasting IT failures and security issues, or simulating changes before implementing them. For our purposes, let's consider we have a shortage of doctors in a hospital as an example. 2. Define your success factors and KPIs, what you want to accomplish and what success means for your AI project. In our case, let's say we want to increase the diagnostics of diabetes by 30%, for example. Number 3, collect relevant data sources. In our example, this could be data from sensors, medical history records, and more. However, you may also include videos, social media feeds, IT equipment, and others as part of your use case. This is a key step. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. 4, clean and prepare the data. Normalize formats, remove junk, or variables that are not relevant. For example, having the patient's hair color? Well, maybe not that important for diabetes diagnosis. 5, train the model. Models are like the AI's brain. With different models, you may have different skills. And training is a compute-intensive process to teach the AI brain how to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions. In our example, it would be like showing a doctor thousands of medical records and their diagnosis based on their symptoms, so that he or she can learn about it. For popular cases like chatbots, you may also use pre-trained models. After all, most people don't want to spend the resources in compute to train a model from scratch, just to get it to speak English, for example. 6. Tune the model. Tweak the algorithms, settings, or variables to improve performance. If you are using pre-trained models, you could also use RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, to customize the model's content. This technique allows your AI to search and pull relevant information from your internal data. Think of documents, guides, knowledge bases, and many others before generating a response. Think of giving your AI chatbot access to your company's brain so that it doesn't guess or hallucinate, but answers based on real facts. 7. Use the model, or what is popularly called inferencing. When your model is ready, you can ask questions and then get predictions. In our example, it would be like asking a trained doctor to make a diabetes diagnostic for a new patient based on what was learned from his past training. 8. And the final step, improve continuously. You have to feed that model with new data every single time. Check for false positives, false negatives, and make sure your KPIs are being met. As we said earlier, AI is just math and probability on steroids, supercharged by the right compute and infrastructure. To run AI effectively, you need 4 key hardware resources. 1. Processing power. Servers like Cisco UCS with CPUs that act as the engine. 2. Networking. High-speed, lossless, and low-latency connectivity powered by Cisco Nexus switches. Think of this as the highway of your data. 3. Storage. Fast, high-capacity access to your data, which in the end is your fuel. This includes solutions from NetApp, Pure Storage, Vast Data, and Nutanix. 4. And most importantly, GPUs. Dedicated AI accelerators from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Your turbo boost for training and inferencing. These resources can live in your data center, at the edge, or in the cloud, depending on your business goals, performance needs, and security requirements. In addition, there is an overwhelming landscape of AI solutions, from data extraction and governance to fine-tuning and model optimization. This can make it difficult to know where to start. But don't worry, Cisco can help you simplify your AI journey. With integrated offerings like Cisco AI Pods, we can tailor end-to-end solutions to meet your specific needs, wrapping everything from infrastructure to AI tools into a cohesive, easy-to-deploy experience. In addition to on-prem and cloud solutions, there are multiple AI SaaS solutions that you can start with today. One example is WebEx, which tracks if your name has been called out and provides real-time translation, built-in transcription, summarization, and even meeting insights. Or the creation of personal assistants leveraging OpenAI and GPTs with embedded RAG capabilities that can accelerate tasks such as service scheduling for your website. And even web design with Figma AI or social media creation with Run AI. The sky is the limit, and these tools lower the barrier to entry and give you a way to immediately experience the power of AI in business contexts. So, will AI replace you? Absolutely not. But someone using AI might just outpace you. The best way to stay ahead is to learn, experiment, and embrace it. AI isn't just the future. It is your competitive edge starting today. And no matter your business size, industry, or use case, Cisco can help you navigate your AI journey confidently.